This man was awarded $21.5 million after being hit by a sliding door. Yes, you heard that right. Back in 2011.
How cool is that? That was all done by AI. Well, let me tell you about this channel called Knowledge Media. They have over 716,000 subscribers, and they have accumulated over 340 million views. Not bad, right? All they do is make these shorts, as you can see in the background. This one has almost 5 million views. They make these shorts about interesting and unbelievable real stories. So let's get started. I did some research and I found the website we can use to get these amazing stories to begin with. It is called Unilad. And look, here is also the story from Knowledge Media. To get ourselves a new story, we simply click on News. Pick any story that you think is interesting. Let's pick their latest post about a man getting millions of dollars after being hit by a sliding door. Keep that tab open, and now we go to ChatGPT and write, I want to make a video, and you need to give me the narration script. This is the input text. Okay, and now copy and paste the text from Unilad in there. Okay, and now lastly type. Make it short and snappy, and it should be read out loud within 1 minute. And press enter. That is perfect. Now copy the text and go to 11 Labs, an amazing text-to-speech AI generator. Go to the voice library and pick a voice you like this. Now enter the script from ChatGPT. I will change one word to make the script even better, and now press the generate button.
This man was awarded $21.5 million after being hit by a sliding door.
That sounds amazing. Let's download it. Now add it to CapCut. And if you also have these long pauses, I'd advise to delete them, like I am doing right now. This way, our video will be less boring and more prone to go viral. Now we will need to add some footage. Simply go back to the Unilad website and download the images. And also download or screen record the video, like I am doing. If you do not have a built-in screen recorder, you can use OBS. It is free to use. Add the footage to CapCut, resize it, and also change the aspect ratio to 9:16, so it will be vertical. For example, for this image, we will duplicate it, make it larger. And now add the blur effect to the image that is below. Now go to Pexels. Here we can download the rest of the footage we need for free. Simply download the footage that is fitting to the story and add it to CapCut. You can also use Canva to get some stock footage like I am doing. We will create a compound clip out of this, so the transitions will be smoother. Okay, now let's add some transitions. Now generate the captions. Correct the text if necessary. Now choose a nice template. Put the text in the middle. Next up, you can consider downloading these camera shutter sound effects from YouTube. And add it to CapCut to give more dimension to the different transitions. Next up, add some subtle background music. I will get it from the YouTube audio library. Add it to CapCut and put the volume down. Last but not least, we are going to add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own interesting short stories and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
This man was awarded $21.5 million after being hit by a sliding door. Yes, you heard that right. Back in 2011, Jim Houseman was on a Holland America cruise when an automatic door slammed into his head. It seemed minor at first, but soon serious health issues followed. Mood swings, seizures, and cognitive decline. Jim sued and won big, $21.5 million from a federal jury. But in 2016, things took a turn. His former assistant claimed he deleted emails that could have hurt his case. A judge ruled him evasive and untrustworthy, throwing out the verdict and ordering a new trial. From a cruise injury to a courtroom scandal, this case had it all.